Hello friends, today my topic is that learn English language silently, that when you will speak English language in future, the people will astonished that from where you have learned this English language. So learn and improve English language very silently when you will deliver your speeches, your lectures in English language, or when you will speak with masses or in the public places. Then your friend circle, your relatives will become astonished to listen you while speaking English language. So I think that before the time making noises is not good. I think that do your hard work silently, that your success will make the noise automatically. This is a very good formula, because when you are in the learning phase, some people, if you make the publicity of your learning, if you are saying everybody that you are learning English language, you are improving English language, then I think that there are some people, those will disheart you, those will become jealous with you, that why you are learning English language. Perhaps you have some kind of benefits, perhaps you are trying to get some kind of jobs, perhaps you are willing to go abroad, that is the reason you are improving yourself in English language. So some people have this habit that they always become jealous with others. They don't want to see others successful, so they want to see you while doing nothing. When you will try to do something and they come to know, they will try to make a hindrance, resistance in your way. In this way, I think that your attention might be diverted. So to get rid of such kind of mentalities and such kind of people, you should improve yourself, you should learn English language very silently, and when after the hard work of some time or some years or some months, you will speak in front of the masses or in front of the camera through social media, the other people, your friend circle, your relatives, these are the people, those are becoming jealous. Your close relatives, they are some kind of jealousy. Not all, but there are some who have the habit of becoming jealous. So with the help of social media, when you will speak in English language in front of the masses throughout the world, because you know that world is a global village, and through social media you can communicate with each and every person living or staying in any country. So I think that you should learn and improve yourself very silently, and your success will make the noise, as I already told you about your success. So this is a very good method, no need of getting support from others. If you are a little intelligent and you have access of internet, you have cell phone, then with the help of social media you can improve yourself. Whatever query comes in your mind, you can get reply of that query from social media. Lot of stuff is uploaded in the shape of videos, articles, audio, podcast, so many forms. So you should try to improve yourself with the help of social media, and when you will get success, when you will feel that right now you are fluent, you can speak without hesitation, then other will also appreciate you. They will, some will become astonished, some will become jealous, but ignore the jealous kind of people and get the company of those who are the supporting kind of people. In this way you will improve yourself. Hope you find this video useful, and if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.